Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create form in Canva with Jotform. So all you have to do is head over to canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on apps, then start searching apps. So from here, we're just going to search for Jotform, then press enter, then click on Jotform. And from here, we're just going to use it in a new design. And I'm just going to choose resume or A4 portrait size. From here, Jotform automatically opens at the left side of our screen. And from here, you can start searching templates for the form that you want to create. Say, for example, we want to make a resume or biodata. So we're just going to search for resume. And you can choose a variety of options here that you can use. Say, for example, we're just going to use this template. From here, you can start resizing the form depending on your canvas size. And for it to start receiving data, we're just going to click on connect your account, then click on connect. A new window will then pop up and we're just going to allow access permissions. And from here, we're just going to double click to interact. And as you can see, we now have an access to enter details in our jot form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!